type in here Java download, then got to the Oracle site for Java download, the second link. In here there is some information regarding this. Same, I got to the Windows tab, and in here I downloaded x64 installer. It took some time. As it got finished, I was very happy. Now I got to the environment variables using env and search bar, and then from here to environment variables, then clicked on path. Then from here, first I just forgot to copy the URL of the JDK or bin file. So let's go to the program file explorer, then C, then program files, Java, JDK21, then bin. Let's copy this and let's paste this into env or environment variables path. Okay, then okay, also okay, and now the last okay. And after this, let's start cmd using search bar. Our command prompt is open. Then I will use Java. See, we are able to see the downloaded version of Java in our system because we set the path of Java, and that's why we are able to see the installed Java version on our system. And this is how you can install Java and set its path properly.